Hey YouTube, today I'm increasing the size of a raised bed. I'm going to use this Jackery for my reciprocating saw, so let's see what happens. Alright, we got it plugged in, so let's see if it'll run. Okay. Got 270 watts, but let's see if it'll cut the wood. Okay, we're all done cutting these 4 leg posts because here in Wisconsin, we're right through where the glaciers came through. And when you dig a hole, you typically wind up with more rock than dirt. So I can only get down so far on some of them. We used 1% of the battery and I cut 4 4x4s. All right, have a good day, YouTube. Bye.